Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some crunchy slime. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm making some crunchy slime by the title. You guys can see like in the title, and like I got my slime right here. So like slime plus foam beads. Wait, I need a... Okay. So, foam beads right here. My foam beads. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. So, like, my foam beads are in here. So, that equals crunchy slime. And, like, I already have my slime ready. I already have some glitter. And then here is my foam beads. So these are foam beads. I already have them ready. So now it's time to be satisfying. So guys, this literally has to be so satisfying, or else I'm going to die. Okay, so I'm gonna go set up the camera like somewhere over there, so it can be facing down, so you can see like the slime how it looks. Okay, so I'll be back like in 1 second. Okay guys, so I have all my materials here. I got my slime, and I got my foam beads. I already put like some glitter. Then here I got my foam beads. Those are foam beads. Okay. Oh wait. I'll be back, guys. Guys, my foam beads literally fell. But not all. Wait, not all. Okay. So I got some glitter. And in here I have, well, right here I got some egg. I got an egg. Right here I got some food coloring. That's why I put it inside an egg thingy, because I didn't have like the top thingy. So guys, I'm literally just doing this. Like, I don't have enough food coloring. Okay, I'll get my mixing tool in a second. I just need to put this. Oh no, my mom's maybe not okay. I'm just kidding. She's not okay. So here I got a little bit of glitter. So cute. It's in this little container. Okay. I don't want to add all of it. You guys can see like the glitter, a little bit of glitter in there. I need to close this now. Okay. Guys, if you hear like noises in the background, that's just my brother, my cousin, well, my family playing basketball. So yeah. Guys, right now, this is my mixing tool. So guys, right now I'm getting my mixing tool. I'm just going to mix this. Okay. Guys, this is how it's looking so far. No, they're not mixing tool. Okay. Hold up, guys. I'll be back. Oh, guys, I need to clean myself right here. is over here. Okay, whatever now. People mixing it. So I'm gonna go close the window because it's way too loud. And oh yeah. You guys are way too loud, so I'm gonna close it. Okay. Just forget it. Doesn't matter anymore. Guys, you can like literally still hear them. I'm so itchy, but I can't like scratch myself. Okay, so I'm just like going to put this on top of my drawer. Like I put it on top of a paper towel because it has food coming out. My drawer is like wet. I don't want it like to get dirty. Here comes the satisfying part. So here's my slime. It's not sticky yet. Sorry, I just had it. Here we go. It isn't that sticky, but it is kind of sticky. Okay. So guys, the satisfying part is about to come. And the satisfying part, it's almost coming. Oh my goodness, these feel so good. This is so crunchy, like you can't stop like crunching it. It never stops crunching. Oh my goodness, I've never tried foam bead slime. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. It literally never stops. So like once it stops, and you stretch it and then you put it like this, it's still so crunchy. Oh my goodness. Guys, comment down below if you never tried this or if you're going to try this. Or comment both of them. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this slime now. So I made some jelly cube slime a long time ago, but it wasn't like that long. Oh my goodness, guys. I am so impressed with my piece of work. Guys, sorry for that. Not me. Oh my gosh, guys, I need to like keep on talking because then he's going to like keep on crying. So yes, because my other brother makes my brother get really mad because he's always so annoying. Yeah, he gets me mad too. Like he's so annoying. Guys, it literally can't stop. Like, I'm impressed. Okay. Okay, guys, so. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you guys over here. Wait, guys. I literally need to make like a huge batch. Like, look at this. This is so satisfying. Guys, I'm so impressed. I've never made foam bead slime. Oh my goodness. And as you guys can see in the title, I made foam bead slime. I think I already said that. I don't know. Guys, but like, this is like the best slime that I've ever done. Oh guys, my sister's nail fell. Not like actual nail like this. Like these. These. You guys see it? These. Yeah, you guys can see it. So it's these. So it goes over here and it like literally fits me in my pinky. It doesn't fit in my. So it actually goes right here. My finger's way too big. No wait, it actually fits me. Guys, comment down below if you guys want me to get my nails done. Yeah, I'll ask my mom, but like, young. These nails are so pretty. Like, I love this color. No, not like a color, but like, guys, give it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and open the notification bell button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thumbs up for more. Thumbs up for more slime recipes. Like for more foam bead slime. Peace. Make sure to subscribe and open the notification bell button and leave a like. Bye. So guys, bye.